In this video, I want to explore an idea that I've come up with, which I'm calling image, copy and place. And the idea came up from the last video that I had to work on. And the last video had within it a bunch of images. So here we've got a screenshot, another screenshot, a screenshot that has been annotated in a tool called Snagit, another screenshot annotated in Snagit. So sometimes I'll use Snagit to copy an image. So sometimes I will use the regular screen clipboard that comes with the Mac in this case. And what ends up happening is I spend a fair bit of time, apart from just annotating the images, of just putting them in the right location, saving them, having a nice consistent naming convention, being able to have them in the correct order so that if I wanted to turn it into a slide deck or a video like we're seeing right now, they can just easily move into the right location. So if I take you over to a code window where I had the idea of creating a natural language application that can solve the problem I just described, it would look like this. So I'm within a simple text editor, and this particular bit of code that we're looking at would run automatically if you saved the file, and then it can watch for certain stuff. So the idea is you might set up a project. I've called it Answer the Public. That was the name of the last video. Might have a format for each image that you create. It might be clip 001, 002, etc. And that you'll always want to write them out as JPEG files, and that the folder that they should end up with when you copy them might be at this location, with the project being replaced for you automatically. So the actions that would take place within this DSL is that if you have the active listener on, at the moment it's set to true, then it will just listen to the clipboard. And it's specifically looking for image files that you've copied from using something like Snagit, using something like the regular screen clipping tool, etc. And then what would happen is if you've got the action set to write, which I do at the moment, it would automatically write that image into this folder with the clip number. You could also have it automatically open it up in Explorer or Finder on the Mac, just the first time a new image appears. So if you continue to copy images, but you've decided you don't want them to go into that project, you could just turn it to false and everything would stop. If you decided you wanted to start a new video or a new presentation and you needed new images, you might have a new project name. You might call it How to XYZ, whatever that might be. The other thing that might happen is that you go into your Finder window that has all the images and you go, actually, I want to delete a couple of them. I don't need them anymore. So you should have the ability to change the action at any time to something like reorder, press save, and all the files should automatically reorder for you in that folder. So this is the idea for a natural language clipboard watcher purely around images, so that you can automate the process of creating presentations, slide decks, and videos. I'm David, this is Ideas Men, and this is an idea for a micro app that I would like to build soon.